Hello students, we'll proceed with chapter light. In the last session we had discussed the rules for drawing ray diagrams for image formation by spherical mirrors. Today we will learn how to draw ray diagrams for image formation by concave and convex mirrors. Students, we are going to draw 6 ray diagrams in case of concave mirrors by placing object at different positions. So we'll start with case 1 when the object is at infinity. Students, as the object is at infinity, it is too far from the mirror, so all the rays which will strike the mirror will be parallel to each other. And we know that any ray which is parallel to the principal axis after reflection will pass through principal focus. So when the object is at infinity, the incident ray which is parallel to principal axis after reflection will pass through principal focus. And for image to be formed, we need at least 2 reflected rays. So as you can see in the ray diagrams, I have taken 2 incident rays which are parallel to each other as well as they are parallel to principal axis. So both these incident rays after reflection will pass through principal focus and they will meet at principal focus. The point at which the reflected rays meet is your image. So image will be formed at focus since the rays are actually meeting after reflection. So the image is real and inverted. And you can see the image is point sized. Therefore we say that image is highly diminished. So these are the characteristics of the image formed when the object is at infinity. Now case 2 when the object is beyond C, right? It has come closer to the mirror. पहले infinity पे था हमारा object, अब थोड़ा पास आ गया but C के पीछे पड़ा. It is beyond C and you can see that AB is the object which is kept above the principal axis on left side of the mirror. So I will take any 2 rules to draw the ray diagram. First rule or first incident ray is the ray which is parallel to the principal axis. And we know that the ray which is parallel to the principal axis will pass through focus. So the reflected ray will pass through focus. Second incident ray is passing through your center of curvature. And any ray which passes through center of curvature after reflection will reflect back along the same path. So you can see this is your incident ray. After reflection it will retrace its path. So the 2 reflected rays are meeting at the point A dash. So the point at which the reflected rays meet is your image. So A dash B dash is your image. As you can see, the image is formed between C and F. Right students? So the position of image is between C and F. And the rays are actually meeting after reflection. So your nature of image will be real and inverted. And you can see as compared to object, the size of image is smaller. Therefore your image is diminished. So this is your case 2. Let's proceed to case 3 when the object is at center of curvature. When the object is at C, the first incident ray which is parallel to the principal axis will reflect and pass through principal focus. Right students, the second incident ray as you can see in the diagram is passing through principal focus and after reflection it will pass parallel to the principal axis. राइट स्टूडेंट्स, पहली रे मैंने पैरेलल ली है प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस के जो रिफ्लेक्शन के बाद फोकस से पास हो रही है. सेकंड रे फोकस से पास हो रही है इंसिडेंट रे. आफ्टर रिफ्लेक्शन दिस रे विल बी पैरेलल टू द प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस एंड दीज 2 रिफ्लेक्टेड रेज विल मीट एट पॉइंट ए डैश विच इज एग्जैक्टली बिलो ए. ए के बिल्कुल नीचे आपको ए डैश पॉइंट दिखेगा. दैट मीन्स योर इमेज विल बी एग्जैक्टली बिलो द ऑब्जेक्ट. दैट मीन्स object is at C, so image is also formed at C. The position of image is at C. and the image is formed on left hand side, that is in front of the mirror. Rays are actually meeting, so the nature of image is real and inverted. And you can see in the image, in the ray diagram, the size of image as well as the size of the object both are same. So the size of image is same as that of object. This is your case third. Now in case fourth, when the object is between C and F, when the object is kept between C and F, right students? So AB is your object. First ray which is parallel to principal axis, after reflection will pass through focus. So this is your first incident ray and this is your reflected ray. Second ray, incident ray is passing through your center of curvature, which will retrace its path after reflection. So this is your second reflected ray. As you can see, both the reflected rays will meet at a point A dash, right? So your image A dash B dash is your image which is formed beyond C. C के पीछे बनेगी, real और inverted बनेगी because rays are actually meeting, and size as you can see is enlarged, is more than that of the object. Right students? Now case fifth, when the object is at focus. Students, when the object is at focus, as you can see in the figure, AB is your object which is kept at focus. First ray which is parallel to the principal axis after reflection will pass through focus. So this is your first incident and reflected ray. Second ray I have taken which is passing through center of curvature. This will reflect back along the same path, and you can see that both the reflected rays are parallel to each other. They will never meet. Since the rays will never meet, so we will assume that they will meet at infinity. That means their position of image is at infinity, and the nature of image is real and inverted. Since the image is formed at infinity, so it will be highly enlarged. Right students? So this is your case fifth. In case sixth, when the object is much closer to the mirror, बहुत पास रख दिया है हमने ऑब्जेक्ट को, the object is between principal focus and pole. फोकस और पोल के बीच में जब आपका ऑब्जेक्ट है, then the image will be entirely different from the previous 5 cases. In the last 5 cases, the image was real and inverted. In this case, image will be virtual. Let's see how. First ray I have taken, you can use any, out of 4 rules, you can use any 2 rules. Right students? So I will use the fourth rule here. The ray which strikes obliquely at the pole of the mirror after reflection will pass obliquely, and both the incident and reflected ray will make equal angles with the principal axis. So this is your first set of ray. This is your incident ray and this is your reflected ray. Second ray I have taken which is passing through center of curvature. So after reflection it will reflect back along the same path. As you can see, both the rays are opening up here. They will never meet, है ना, आगे वो कभी मीट नहीं कर सकती. But if I produce them backwards, I can see that they will meet behind the mirror. मिरर के पीछे वो मीट कर सकती हैं. They will appear to meet, एक्चुअली में वो मीट नहीं करेंगी, बट अपीयर होगा कि वो मीट कर रही हैं. राइट, क्योंकि वो रिफ्लेक्ट होकर वापस उसी मीडियम में आ जाएंगी, बट दे विल अपीयर टू मीट एट अ पॉइंट बिहाइंड द मिरर, दैट इज ए डैश. सो दिस विल बी योर ए डैश बी डैश विल बी योर image which is formed behind the mirror. Since the rays are actually not meeting, they appear to meet. Therefore, I have drawn dotted rays, है ना, dotted lines I have drawn to show that the image is virtual. Right? So the image is virtual, and virtual image is always erect, and the position of the image will be behind the mirror, and you can see it will be larger than the object. So the size of the image will be enlarged. So these are the 6 cases which we have. These are the 6 cases of ray diagrams for concave mirror. This is the summary of all these 6 ray diagrams. In first 5 cases you can see that image is real and inverted. In the 6th case, when the object is much closer, that is between P and F, image is virtual and erect. 5 केसेस में आपकी रियल इमेज बनेगी, लास्ट केस में बस आपकी इमेज वर्चुअल होगी. राइट स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ लेट्स प्रोसीड टू convex mirrors. In convex mirrors, we will be drawing two ray diagrams. Case 1 will be when the object is at infinity and case 2 when the object is at a finite distance. है ना, वह एक इन्फिनिटी वाला ऑब्जेक्ट करेंगे हम केस करेंगे, और दूसरा हम करेंगे when the object is between infinity and pole, मतलब फाइनाइट डिस्टेंस पे है. Let's start with case 1 when the object is at infinity. Student, when the object is at infinity, we know that rays will come parallel to each other, right? Parallel rays will strike the mirror, and we know that a ray which is parallel to the principal axis after reflection will appear to diverge. Since it is a diverging mirror, so the rays will diverge and they will appear to diverge from a point called focus. Right students, so I have taken two incident rays which are parallel to each other as well as they are parallel to principal axis. After reflection they will diverge, both the rays will diverge, and if I produce them backward they will meet at a point focus. The point at which the two reflected rays will appear to meet, यहाँ पे meet actual में नहीं करेंगी, appear करेगा कि ये यहाँ पे meet कर रही हैं. The point at which they will appear to meet is your image. So your image is formed at focus itself, right? And since the rays are there, the rays will appear to meet, so image will be virtual, and virtual image is erect. Image will be formed at focus behind the mirror, and it will be point size that is highly diminished. Right students? The second case, when the object is at a finite distance, that is between infinity and pole. You can see the incident ray. First incident ray which is parallel to the principal axis after reflection will appear to diverge from principal focus. And the second ray which will incident the mirror and which will appear to move towards center of curvature will after reflection will reflect back along the same path. जो रे सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर की तरफ जाएगी वो रिफ्लेक्ट होने के बाद वापस उसी रास्ते पे रिफ्लेक्ट हो जाएगी. इट विल रिट्रेस इट्स पाथ. सो यू कैन सी द टू रिफ्लेक्टेड रेज. One is this ray and second is this ray. These two reflected rays will appear to meet at a point A dash, right students, which is behind the mirror between P and F. So your image A dash B dash is your image which will be formed behind the mirror between pole and focus, right? And the image will be virtual and erect. It will be diminished also. So these are the 6 cases of image formation. These are the total 2 cases of image formation when the object of image formation by convex mirror. So we have done total 8 ray diagrams, 6 of concave mirrors and 2 of convex mirror. Right students?